CapCut has introduced some amazing features that's going to blow your mind. And in this video, I will be unveiling 3 of the best and then amazing part is that you can use them for free. So let's get into the video. So the first feature I will be talking about is shapes. After opening a new window in CapCut, go to Stickers and then in the menu on the left side, you will see Shapes. So click on it. And as you can see, CapCut has introduced a lot of different shapes you can use, and this is very useful because at first, if you want to create a circle or a box shape, unless you use text type O and use it as a circle, or sometimes import a solid background and then use masking to create shapes when editing your videos. But now, if you go to Stickers and add any shape of your choice to the timeline, you can edit it the way you want. And some of the changes are you changing the size of the shape. You can also change it to any color, add shadow, and even create round corners with no stress. So try your hands on this new feature CapCut has introduced. Add more shape and play around with the setting to get your desired shape you want. And also, if you want me to create a different tutorial video about how to use the shapes to create amazing edits and animation, then leave tutorial in the comment section. Now, from shapes, we will move to the next feature CapCut has introduced on CapCut PC and is templates. Templates was only available on mobile version, but now you can add and edit your favorite templates all right in CapCut PC. On the media panel, look for the template tab and click on it, and you will find all kinds of templates here you can use. To add a template and edit it, just download and drag and drop to the timeline. And you can change the volume and music right here on the attribute panel. And to edit your template and add your own images and videos, come and click on this right here. And now you can replace all the images and videos with yours, and when you are done, just export your video. And for this, since you are editing in CapCut Editing main interface, you can add anything you want to add to the template you are editing, like effects, filters, text, and even stickers. And this is what makes it even more amazing. And now, our last feature, which is also my favorite among the new features CapCut has added to their editing workspace. And this is you can add more timeline in one window. So if you come to the toolbar, you will see a plus icon right here. And when you click on it, a new timeline will be added. And from here, you can see 2 timelines, named Timeline 01 and 02. So, when I edit videos for clients, especially workout videos, I use most of the assets across multiple videos, like timers and countdown. But with this new feature, I can add multiple timelines with different videos, then import all the assets I will use to edit the videos in one project, without opening a new window each time I want to start editing a new video. And I think with these new features added in CapCut will significantly improve your editing and make editing more easier and faster. So let me know in the comment section which one of these features is your favorite or will be trying soon. See you in the next video.